Alright folks, here is a short video on coterminal angles. So coterminal angles are two angles that share a common terminal side. So for example, since we have 360 degrees or 2 pi radians in any circle, coterminal angles can simply be found by either adding 360 or subtracting 360, or adding 2 pi or subtracting 2 pi to any angle. For example, if we have pi over 4 and we want a coterminal angle, I would simply add 2 pi. When I add the 2 pi, again I need to find a common denominator, which would give me pi over 4 plus 8 pi over 4. So this here is going to give me 9 pi over 4. Now similarly, what we can do from here is we can also subtract if I wanted to do that. So I'm going to do one with a negative here so we can see that. So let's say I have negative 3 pi over 4. If I'm looking for a negative coterminal angle here, I can go ahead and subtract the 2 pi. Now again, we do the same thing, find the common denominator. So this can be negative 3 pi over 4 minus, again here, 8 pi over 4. And the only reason the denominator and numerator stay the same from here to the other example is because this denominator stayed 4. So then what this is going to be is negative 11 pi over 4. And again, gentlemen, we can do the same thing if we go ahead and use degrees. And it would just be, instead of 2 pi, we would go ahead and use 360 degrees. So if I had 60 degrees, I would go ahead and I was looking for coterminal. I could add 360 degrees to it, which would give me 420 degrees. Or similarly, I can go ahead and subtract. So I hope this video helped you understand coterminal angles.